Hello dear students, today we are going to revise the Little Fir Tree, second chapter of second unit. Here in this, as we all know, here in this chapter, there was a magician who was returning home and it was raining very heavily. What was the name of magician? His name was Shetty. So when he was going home, rain was there, and at the rain time, this little fir tree gave him shelter. Then what happened? He was very happy. Magician was very happy, and he granted the little fir tree 4 wishes, that whatever you want you can ask and your 4 wishes will be granted. You can ask 4 wishes. Then what happened? This little fir tree asked, his first wish was to have a green leaves which his friends have, because on his needle like leaves no birds can make nest. So he asked for green leaf trees. Okay, then what happened? The goat ate all the leaves, all the green leaves. Then he was sad, he became very sad. Then what happened? The little fir tree became very unhappy. Then again he asked for the second wish, and his second wish was to have gold leaves, because gold leaves, no goat can eat the gold leaves. Then what happened after that? The uh, the thieves stole his gold leaves. Then again the next day he became sad. Then after that he asked for glass leaves. The third wish of little fir tree was to have glass leaves. Then after some time in the night, what happened? The wind blew and all the glass leaves broke. Because of this, the little fir tree was very sad. Again he was very sad. Then after that, what happened? See, in this picture you can see that the glass leaves broke down. Then what happened? After, in the fourth wish, he asked for the same needle like leaves. Then he got the needle like leaves back again, and he was happy again. So what you come to know from this chapter? You came to know that whatever we have to be very happy with that thing only. Okay, and these all uh, take the correct options, and you can see these all questions you have to learn very thoroughly. And in from the chapter also you may be asked that some questions you can see, so you have to prepare very well for the test. Okay, thank you.